Welcome back to the third unit of The Doctor's Word by R.K. Narayan. In the previous unit, you all are well acquainted with Dr. Raman, Gopal, and their friendship. Gopal is ill and he is in a very critical condition, in a very serious condition, and Dr. Raman had come to attend him. In the third unit, R.K. Narayan has introduced Gopal's wife and how worried she is for her husband. In the entire story, R.K. Narayan has not mentioned Gopal's wife's name. He has used phrases like the lady of the house, Gopal's wife, etc. R.K. Narayan has also described Dr. Raman's character as a skillful doctor who handled every odd situation very carefully. Come to Unit 3. Do you know skillful doctors are always calm even in adverse situations? Skillful doctors means experienced, talented doctors are always calm. Calm means Santa. Even in adverse situation. Adverse situation means contrary situation. Adverse situations. How do you think Dr. Raman would have reacted when he saw his friend? Read the following unit of the text and observe how smart Dr. Raman was in making the diagnosis and treating his patient. Here in this unit, it is described that Dr. Raman was a very skillful doctor and he is very smart in making diagnosis. What is diagnosis? The art or act of identifying a disease from its sign and symptoms and treating his patient. He was a very smart doctor. The text. It was an operation day and he was not free till 3 in the afternoon. You all know that in the previous unit, Dr. Raman was on his way to the operation theatre and he came to know from Gopal's son that Gopal is ill. As a dedicated doctor, he finished the operation and ran towards Gopal's house. It was 3 o'clock in the afternoon. He had not taken his lunch and he rushed off straight from the clinic to his friend's house because he was very worried for his friend. In Lolly Extension is a place where Gopal was living. It was a place in Malgudi. Gopal lay in bed as if in sleep. Gopal was lying on his bed as if he was in deep sleep because he was ill. He was not well. The doctor stood over him. The doctor stood in front of the bed where his friend Gopal was lying and asked Gopal's wife, how long has he been in the bed? He asked Gopal's wife that से केते दिनु एमिति अवस्था अच्छी बोली से गोपाल सहधर्मिणी को पचारिले. A month and a half, doctor, she replied. Gopal's wife replied that a month and a half means 1.5 मास हेलानी से एमिति अवस्था अच्छे बोली से डॉक्टर को कहले. Who is attending him? The doctor asked that who is attending him? Who is the doctor who is treating him? Treating Gopal. Gopal's wife replied, a doctor in the next street. A doctor in the next street. He comes down once in 3 days and gives him medicine. Gopal's wife replied that a doctor from the next street, a local doctor comes and treat Gopal by giving him medicine once in 3 days. What is his name? Dr. Raman asks. Se pacharle, what is the name of the doctor who is attending him? He had never heard of him. He has never heard of him. Se tanko bisore kichi jani nanti. Someone I don't know, but I wish he had had the goodness to tell me about it. Here he refers to Gopal. He is saying that Dr. Raman is saying that someone I don't know the doctor, but it is the duty of Gopal. It was duty of Gopal to inform him about his illness. Had the goodness to tell me about it. About it means about the illness of Gopal. Why could not you have sent me a word earlier? Dr. Raman is asking Gopal's wife that why she has not called him earlier, because Gopal's condition was very bad. We thought you would be busy and did not wish to trouble you unnecessarily. Gopal's wife replied that Dr. Raman might be very busy, so they did not want to disturb him. They were apologetic. What is apologetic? Apologetic means regretful or feeling sorry. They were feeling sorry and miserable. Miserable here refers to unhappy, because they were unhappy and they were regretful. They were feeling sorry for that they had not. They were apologetic and miserable. Miserable here refers to unhappy, because they were feeling very sorry that they did not call in Dr. Raman. There was hardly any time to be lost. Gopal was in a very critical condition, so time was very limited. It was hardly any time to be lost. It will be a quick decision of Dr. Raman. So the treatment should be very fast. He took off his coat and opened his bag. He took out an injection tube. The needle sizzled. So, sizzled means to make a hissing sound as if something is boiling. So, he took out an injection tube and the needle sizzled over the stove. Means he was sterilizing the needle and the injection tube by which he will inject drugs to Gopal. The sick man's wife whimpered. What is whimpering sound? This whimpered means to make a low broken sound expressing pain and unhappiness. The sick man's wife whimpered. She was worried. And in a corner she was standing in a corner and was very worried, and she was making a low broken sound expressing pain and unhappiness. Means she was whimpering in the corner. She was worried and making very broken sound that what had happened. And essayed, look at this word, ESSAYED. Essayed means tried, TRIED, tried to ask questions, because she was worried about Gopal's health. Please don't ask questions, snapped the doctor. And doctor knew that the Gopal's wife is worried and she will ask question. So before asking the questions about Gopal's health, the doctor told, please don't ask any question. You don't ask any question, let me do my work. Snapped the doctor. Snap means to make a sudden closing of the job. Means he snapped. Means the doctor ଦାନ୍ତ ଚାବିକି ଉତ୍ତର ଦେଲେ ଯେ ଆଉ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ପଚାର ନାହିଁ ବୋଲିକି. He looked at the children who were watching the sterilizer. What is the sterilizer? It is that container where the injection needle and the injection tube was being sterilized. Watching the sterilizer and said, send them all away somewhere except the eldest. He asked Gopal's wife to keep these surroundings calm and quiet so that he can continue his treatment. Send them. Them refers to the children. All away somewhere except the eldest. He wanted the eldest eldest son to remain there so that he can help Dr. Raman in the treatment. He sought in the drug. Dr. Raman started his treatment. He shot in the drug means medicine. Sat back in his chair. He gave injection to the patient Gopal and sat back in his chair. In his chair means armchair. In his armchair and gazed. Gaze means to fix eye intently. Ekkos korte dekhiya ta kuhanti gazed and gazed on the patient's face for over an hour. For over an hour, Gopal was sleeping in the bed and he was judging the patient. The patient still remained motionless. The patient still remained motionless. Even the doctor injected drug to the patient. The patient was motionless and he did not show any sign of improvement. The doctor's face gleamed with perspiration. Glowed with perspiration. Perspiration means sweating. He was worried. So his face, the doctor's face gleamed with perspiration and his eyelids drooped. What is drooped? Droop means to incline downward or close. Means he was very tired. He has not taken his lunch. So he was very tired and his eyelids drooped. And fatigue means tired. He was very tired and he was feeling sleepy. He was worried. The sick man's wife stood in a corner. Sick man's wife refers to Gopal's wife. Stood in a corner and watched silently. She asked timidly. Timidly means faint-heartedly or fearful, being fearful. The doctor, shall I make some coffee for you? Seeing the situation of the doctor, the condition of the doctor, she asked the doctor for some coffee. No, he replied. The doctor replied no, that he did not want any coffee. Although he felt famished, although he was very hungry. Famished means hungry. Having missed his midday meal. He has missed his midday meal means he has not taken his lunch. He was hungry, but he did not want any coffee. He got up and said, I will be back in a few minutes. Don't disturb him on any account. He decided to go out and speak nothing about Gopal's health. He only asked his wife, Gopal's wife, to not to disturb Gopal on any account. He picked up his bag. The doctor picked up his bag and went to his car. He went to his car. In a quarter of an hour, what is quarter of an hour? And within 15 minutes, he was back, followed by an assistant and a nurse. He came back with his assistant and a nurse. The doctor told the lady of the house, Gopal's wife, I have to perform an operation. He had to perform an operation. Why? She asked faintly. Because she was worried. Faintly means weak, dizzy, likely to faint. Because she was very worried. She told, why? Why you want to perform an operation? But the doctor did not tell anything. He only told that I will tell you all that soon. Will you leave your son here to help us and go over to the next door and stay there till I call you? Seeing the condition of Gopal's wife, he asked her to leave the house and go somewhere and leave her son to help him. The lady felt giddy. What is giddy? Giddy means dizziness or faint. and sank down. Sank down. Look, sank means sat down slowly on the floor. She was worried, she was nervous, she was worried for her husband's health. And listening about the operation, she was very worried, very much worried. Unable to bear the strain. Strain means exertion or tension. She was in a very tense mood. The nurse attended to her and led her out. Then the nurse attended her and led her out to the next house. This is the end of the third unit. We will continue unit 4 in the next video. Hope you have understood it properly. Take care and stay safe.